Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to FunMathology. Now, today's topic is simplifying fraction expression by using BODMAS. So, we have covered till the chapter 12 certain operations like addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, and multiplication of fraction. So, this is the part 13 of the fraction series where we learn if you get an expression where addition, subtraction as well as multiplication is there, then how to solve it, how to use BODMAS. So see, as we have already learned addition, subtraction and multiplication of fraction, we'll see today how to simplify it. Okay, so if you have gone through my earlier lectures on BODMAS, then you will know that BODMAS stands for bracket, this is order or of, this is division, this is multiplication, this is addition, and this is subtraction. So we have not gone yet with the division, so we'll leave the division. So first of all, bracket, of, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So if you haven't watched that video, so I request you to watch that lecture on BODMAS, how to simplify expression using BODMAS. But today we'll see how to simplify fraction expression by using BODMAS. Let's jump in. And always one thing you remember, student, when operations are at the same level, right? Same level means when there is only multiplication in the expression or maybe addition or subtraction in the expression, then you just evaluate from the left to right. Okay, so if you have only multiplication, let's say, or maybe in the expression you have addition and subtraction, you just don't have to use BODMAS in that case, or you can use it, but my suggestion is use from left to right, evaluate from left to right. Okay, so let's jump in and see the first example. So see, half plus 1/3 multiplied by 3/4. So using BODMAS, right? Using BODMAS. So what we know, that multiplication comes before addition, then comes addition. So here we'll do the multiplication first, then we'll do the addition. Okay, so half plus, if you multiply, so numerator into numerator multiply, and the denominator gets multiplied with the denominator. Okay, so 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 into 4 is 12. So 3/12. Got it? Now, once you have this, you can straight away, simplify this 3 and 12, right? See, you can simplify this fraction. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. Or you can cancel here also before multiplication. See, anything which you prefer. Got it? I prefer cancellation here. See, 3 3 got cancelled. In the numerator there is 3, in the denominator there is 3, so 3 is divided by 3, here 3 is divided by 3, so what is left? 1/4. So now we have half plus 1/4. Now what is the LCM of 2 and 4? That is 4, right? So I need to change this denominator into the LCM, so I must multiply this denominator by 2, hence the numerator has to be multiplied by 2. This 1 remains 1 because the denominator is the LCM itself. So 1. So answer is 3/4. Got it, student? Very simple. Use BODMAS as previously you have used in any other expression, and fraction is also no different. You use BODMAS in the very similar way. Okay, let's go to example 2. See, in the bracket, half plus 1/3 into 1/4. So we need to solve the bracket first. Okay, so we'll solve the bracket first. So while solving the bracket, see, half plus 1/3, say, as I have told you in the earlier lectures, use butterfly trick. See, 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 3. Got it? So 1 into 3 is 3 plus 2 into 1 is 2 divided by 2 into 3 is 6 into 1/4. So it gives what? 5/6 into 1/4. So the answer is 5 by 24 is your answer. Got it? So this is very easy. So if you get a bracket, then solve the bracket first. Okay. Now let's come to the example 3. Got it? So here, see, 3 by 4 minus half multiplied by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. So what you need to do, according to BODMAS, solve the multiplication first, keep this and this separate, and once you do the multiplication, then solve it from left to right accordingly. Got it? So let's see. So 3 by 4, then if you do this multiplication, so minus 1 by 6, got it, plus 1 by 6. See, plus 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 6 get cancelled because 5 minus 5 is 0. So 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 is also 0 in a similar way. So you can straight away go ahead and cancel this one. So what remains? 3 by 4. Got it? Very simple. Now let's come to the last example, that is example 4. So what we have here in the example 4, see, bracket with addition inside, right? Bracket with addition inside. So we'll solve this first, then we'll solve multiplication, then we'll solve subtraction. Okay, according to BODMAS, we'll solve the bracket first, then the multiplication, then the subtraction. So let's see. So bracket first, we'll keep all the other expressions same, right? So 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5. Why? Because these are like fractions. So straight away keep the denominator same and add the numerator. So it becomes 4 by 5 minus 1 by 6. So here we'll do the multiplication then here. So is there any common between the numerators and the denominators? Then cancel here before the multiplication. We don't have. So straight away multiply the numerator and divide it by the multiplication of the denominator. So it becomes 4 2s are 8 and 3 5s are 15 minus 1 by 6. Got it? So what is the LCM of 15 and 6 is 30. Got it? LCM of 15 and 6 is 30. So I'll keep 30 here. I need to make this as 30, so I'll have to multiply by 2. Hence, I have to multiply the numerator by 2. So 8 into 2 is 16. Minus, see, 1 by 6. 6, I have to make this 30. I have to multiply this by 5 to make it 30. Hence, I need to multiply the numerator as well by 5. So it becomes 5. So 16 minus 5 by 30. This becomes 11 by 30. Got it? So these are the simple cases that you might face while you get an expression which you need to solve by the help of BODMAS. So student, I think you have followed my lecture today, simplifying fraction expression, BODMAS. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. We'll soon meet in the next lecture. So bye bye for now.